Hello guys, my name is Hania. Today our topic is about night horror movies and sound. And let's start with night horror movies are a subgenre of horror films that particularly emphasizes the fear and tension associated with nighttime settings. These films explore the natural fear of the dark and the unknown using the night as a backdrop to create an atmosphere of dread and suspense. Sound design plays a critical role in these films as it enhances the eerie, unsettling mood that is often associated with darkness. Darkness and shadows. Night horror movies often use low lighting shadows and darkness to obscure the viewer's vision, making it difficult to see what lurks in the background. This uncertainty heightens the sense of fear as the audience is left to imagine what could be hidden just out of sight. Isolation. These films frequently place characters in isolated or desolate environments where help is far away, amplifying the feelings of vulnerability. The setting might be a remote cabin and abandoned house or a quaint suburban neighborhood where nightfall brings unknown dangers. Physiological tensions. The combination of darkness and isolation creates a fertile ground for physiological horror. The characteristic fear of the unknown is mirrored by the audience own anxiety as they project their worst fears onto the unseen threads. Slow pacing. Many night horror movies employ a slower pace to build tension gradually. The quiet moments filled with anticipations can be just as terrifying as the actual scare as they plan on the audience expectation that something bad is about to happen. The role of sound in night horror movies. Sound is integral to the effectiveness of night horror movies. Since the visual elements are often obscured by darkness, sound becomes the primary tool for creating fear and tension. Here's how sound contributes to the horror. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास एम्बियंस एंड एटमॉस्फेयर. Ambient sounds. The use of ambient sounds like wind, distant howls, or rustling leaves can create a sense of unease. These sounds are often subtle but constant, serving as a reminder that danger could be lurking nearby. Silence and negative space. Negative space is sound design refer to the strategic use of silence or minimal sound to create contrast. When loud or sudden noises do occur, they are more shocking and impactful because of the preceding quiet. Sound effects. Unnatural noises. Sound that don't belong like distorted whispers, distant screams, or abnormal animal calls can make senses or terrifying. These sounds play on the audience's fear of the unknown and the unnatural. Conclusion. Night horror movies use the fear of darkness, isolation, and the unknown to create a terrifying atmosphere. Sound design is crucial in these films as it compensates for the lack of visual information and plays directly into the audience's primal fears through the careful use of ambient sounds, silent sounds, effects, and music. Night horror movies create an impressive experience that can make even the most mundane environmental feel like a nightmare. Thank you. So guys, today our topic is hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is horror icons. Let's start with horror icons are the memorable characters or creatures that define the horror genre. These figures often become synonymous with fear, dread, and the supernatural, leaving a lasting impact on pop culture. Here are some key aspects that make horror icons memorable. Unique design. A horror icon usually has a distinctive and instantly recognizable appearance. Whether it's the mask of Michael Myers, the razor glove of Freddy Krueger, or the decaying visage of a zombie, these designs often symbolize the essence of the character. Backstory. Many horror icons have detailed and often tragic backstories that explain their malevolent nature. These stories add depth to the characters and make them more terrifying by providing context to their actions. Signature weapons. Icons in the horror genre often have signature weapons that become part of their identity. For example, Jason Voorhees is known for his machete, while Freddy Krueger saw glow with razor blades in central to his character. Catchphrases or sounds. Some horror icons are associated with specific catchphrases or sounds. Freddy Krueger tunes or the airy sounds of Michael Myers breathing through his mask add to the fear character. Physiological impact. Horror icons often tap into deep-seated fear and anxieties. They may embody the fear of the unknown, death, or the loss of control, making them resonate on a physiological level with audiences. Cultural influence. Over time, many horror icons transit their original movies to become part of broader popular culture. They are referenced in other media, become Halloween customs, and inspire countless homages and parodies. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास क्लासिक मॉन्स्टर्स. अर्ली हॉरर आइकन्स लाइक ड्रैकुला, फ्रांकेनस्टाइन monsters, and the Wolfman were born from literature and adopted into early horror cinema. These characters often represented fear of the unknown or the monstrous within. These elements contribute to why horror icons are not just characters but cultural phenomena that have shaped and continue to shape the horror genre. If you are planning to create content for your YouTube channel, you could explore these aspects in detail, offering analysis, retrospectives, and decisions that would engage both casual viewers and hardcore horror fans. Thank you. So guys, today our class is finished. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is physiological horror masterpieces. Let's start with physiological horror is a subgenre of horror that focuses on the mental, emotional and physiological states of characters, often blurring the lines between reality and imaginations. Unlike traditional horror that relies on physical traits like monsters or gore, physiological horror delves into the human physique, exploring fear that are more abstract and deeply rooted in the mind. Key element of physical horror: unreliable narrators. The story is often told from the perspective of the character whose perceptions of reality is questionable. This creates a scene of unease as the audience is unsure of what to believe. Mind game and manipulations. Characters may experience hallucinations, delusions, or are manipulated into questioning their sanity. The horror line is the loss of control over one's mind. Atmospheric tension. The atmospheric is physiological horror is key. It builds slowly using suspense, airy settings and sound design to create a sense of dread. The horror is not is what is seen, but in what is felt and anticipated. Themes of identity and reality. These films often explore the fragility of identity and the nature of reality. Characters may struggle with personalities, memory loss, or a distorted sense of self. Masterpieces of physiological horror. Physico, 1960, directed by Alfred Hitchcock. This classic film delves into the disturbed mind of Norman Bates, exploring theme of identity, repression, and the thin line between sanity and madness. The tension and suspense build as the truth about Norman is slowly revealed. Rosemary Baby, 1968, directed by Roman Polanski. These films create horror through paranoia, and the fear of losing control over one's own body as Rosemary because increasingly isolated the audience is drawn into her escalating terror, unsure of what is real and what is imagined. The Shining, 1980, directed by Stanley Kubrick. Kubrick's adaptation of Stephen King's novel is a masterclass in physiological horror. The overlooked hotel itself seems to prey on Jack Tone's mind, driving him to madness. The film use of unsettling imagery and a hunting squad intensifies the physiological torment. Black Swan, directed by Darren Aronofsky. The film explores the pleasure of perfectionism and the descent into the madness. The protagonist, Nina, is consumed by her desire to be perfect, leading to the breakdown of her mental state of the loses her grip on reality. Conclusion: Physiological horror masterpieces resonate because they tap into our deepest fears, the fear of losing control, of questioning our reality, and of confronting the darkness within ourselves. These films linger long after the credits roll as they force us to reflect on the fragility on the human mind. Thank you. So guys, today our class